Hey guys, so what we have here is the Aria free open-ear headphones, which was actually sent to us by Monster themselves. And for clarification, this isn't paid and we'll do a completely honest review of this revolutionary headphone. So before we begin, let's get this unboxed. So included in the box is, of course, the Aria free open-ear headphones, a charging cable, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. So to consider these headphones, we first gotta look at the design. In terms of this color, they have a lavender-like color that is quite subtle with a darker tone. And now they do have this diamond-looking shape that does reflect light to give it a very cool combination of different tones of this lavender purple. And now, these are not the smallest pair of open-ear headphones because they are quite large around your ears, but you'll get used to them because they feel very weightless, coming at only 0.63 ounces. And let me tell you this, there are times that I forgot that they were even in my ears because they're so light. And this even solves a big problem because some other pairs of headphones, like the earbuds that I wear, often after some hours have some strain to my ear. And these headphones are so light and so compact for this tiny little piece of headphone that I'm able to often forget that I'm even wearing them. And also the headphones are also very durable. The headphones are also made out of super elastic memory steel wire, meaning that it supports 360 bending without deformation in daily use. Now, one of the most important things of the headphones is the sound itself. For my first impressions, I thought the open ear design would allow for anyone to hear the music that you hear. But these are not your normal set of earbuds, and the way that they direct the sound directly into your ear without letting the sound waves be heard by other people, unless you put them to really max volume, which is almost similar like the original AirPods where everyone could hear what you were hearing. And since these are around your ears, they are very stable and stick to your ear, which is perfect for running, cycling, and even hiking. It is also perfect for driving because, considering that it doesn't have much noise cancelling, they're perfect for hearing what is going on outside the world, while also being able to hear your favorite song. One concern is the fact that these headphones allow you to be aware of what's around you. It is not ideal for when you are at the gym because it does not cancel out the noise of the gym's music or the people working out. However, they are a great example of studying when you don't want to be completely taken away and distracted by the music. Open-ear headphones with a 15.4mm diameter speaker that presents a powerful and wide sound range, which make this a sound full of dynamics, and the bass is also pretty subtle too, but it comes at a good rich tone and the vocals can be heard very clearly. For background, the Monster headphones are designed and engineered by Noel Lee and his Monster R&D team in the USA. It also delivers the most impactful music experience possible through over 40 years of sound engineering. Monster also has built-in microphones to help reduce environmental noise when you're on the phone and you're talking to someone, making it perfect and ideal for when you're talking to someone in a car or when you also want to hear what's going on around you. Some of the many features about this over-the-ear headphones is that it's embedded with a Bluetooth 5.3 high-performance chip, and it provides a more stable and faster connection. It supports a connection range of up to 33 feet, and it only takes 2 hours to charge fully with a USB magnet charging cable. And you can use it for 8 hours at 80% of the volume. In terms of the build, it allows for IPX5 water resistant rating, does not need to be taken off when access to water in daily use life such as sweat or sudden rain, when jogging, cycling, or sprinting, or hiking. And from these features alone, it seems like these headphones are just perfect for your outdoor use, and something about these going around your head and makes it so much more stable. So like even if I'm not moving or jumping around, the headphones seem as though they're like sticking to my head. And also it's very simple with only 2 buttons on the side, and they function as for turning on and answering or ending calls, going to previous song, going to the next song, pause or play, and turning off and rejecting calls, and even putting the volume up and down. And if you hold it for 10 seconds, you'll be able to reset it. So this was my review of this revolutionary piece of technology. It is definitely something worth being checked, and it will definitely recommend to those who want to let the world in while also listening to your favorite music and not worrying about others talking and you being left behind. And so these headphones feel like feathers on my ears, and they are as if they're not even there. And so this is it for this video. If you like this, please make sure to subscribe. And other than that, peace.